Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you a few simple home decor items that I picked up that will help you elevate your space, make it nice and bougie, welcoming, inviting, all the good things. So let's get started. Our first home decor items are these mini vases from CB2, which is one of my favorite places to shop at. I would be there all the time if we had one in my city, but we were in Toronto and we were browsing in there and I ended up seeing these and I just fell in love. I think they're so cute. I believe they're called the Cloche vase. I'll link them down below along with everything else. I love the simple design, super minimal, and again just so cute. Like, I love how tiny they are. I have one of these styled on my coffee table right now with some bunny tails I will show you in a sec, and I just think it looks so nice. I don't know what it is exactly about it, but I find it looks so nice. I also had a single stem flower in there at one point and I was just living for that. Again, I just think it looks so pretty. Something about it being like so tiny and really simple, like especially that it's a clear, simple glass. I just absolutely love it. I really felt like it elevated the look of my coffee table, adds a little extra something to it. I can't remember exactly, but I feel like they were around the $12 mark, which is not too bad. It's like pretty affordable and an easy way to zhuzh up your space in a really simple, nice way. Our next item is keeping with the theme of vases. We have this one that I picked up from EQ3, another one of my favorite stores to shop at. This one is different in the fact that it's much more texture, has much more interest than the other one. Being in Canada, this reminded me of ice in an iceberg. So I was like, yes, let's bring the cold inside, as if I'm even a fan of winter. I really liked it. Like, as soon as I saw it in the store, I was like, oh my god, it's so cool, just because it has so much texture, dimension. I love it in a regular shape, but I actually ended up regretting getting it like once I got it home and I was like reflecting on it. So I actually went back to exchange it because they had bigger ones as well as a few different, maybe one more different color, I can't remember, but they definitely had a green color. So I went back hoping to get the bigger size and a green color because you can tell, like, I'm very neutral. So I was hoping to add a little bit more color, especially that I wanted it in the bathroom downstairs. I felt like that's a space that I can play around with color a little bit. Also, I wanted to get something a little bit bigger. We do have a lot of room to play with in the house and I keep getting these tiny little things because I just get caught up in how cute they are. But I was like, I need, like, it's okay to get something bigger. I should be getting like bigger pieces to make more of like a statement. So I went back, but I ended up picking up this, which is just the bigger version but still clear glass. One, because, hold on, okay, because they didn't have the green one anymore and I also couldn't commit to green. Like, I'm really trying to put more color in the house, but it's a process. The plants are green. Okay, it's fine. And I just love the texture in this one. I feel like you can see it even more with the bigger size, and I just love how much attention that they paid putting like all this texture and all that together, even down to the rim dips here. It's rippled all around. It's super pretty. But yeah, I absolutely love it, and I have styled some dried florals in there, which I will show you now. These are some of the dried florals I've picked up. I don't know like where this obsession is coming from. Probably Instagram, because that's what I do all day. Those are so pretty, and I like that they're kind of like seasonless. I feel like in the spring and summer, like they just look really nice as well. Plus I picked like a light beige color that I feel goes like all year round, and then when it's fall, it's like, well, it's a dried floral, so it kind of works. So anyways, I picked up these bunny tails from a place called LD Shop that we have here in Ottawa, and then I also picked this one up, which is like a longer floral. It's like a dried pampas but smaller, and I wish they were a little bit fluffier, but maybe I need to like shake them out or something. But these ones I picked up from a place called Zone Maison, which is, I believe, a Montreal based company, but we have one store here, and I think you can order online as well. So I had picked up two sets. I've already cut these and I put them in the bigger, I don't know, iceberg vase that we're gonna call it, but I'm not sure if I like it yet. I think I'm struggling with the height, but I don't want to cut too far because then you obviously can't undo that. So I was like sitting on this, but I feel like I have decided that it's too tall, and maybe that it's not enough of them, so maybe I'll add some, but I don't know. Someone help me out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. But they are definitely doing their job of elevating my bathroom, especially the one downstairs, because we've done nothing to that one. Okay, so next up is some stuff from H&M Home, which I love. I never shopped there before, but have always seen their items, and they have such nice stuff at like pretty good prices. I want them to come here so bad. Like, I need to feel in touch and look at everything, and it kills me that they don't have a location in H&M. Come on over. But I did make an order online and I picked up these prints. I'm really trying to focus more and shift my attention to wall art because the walls are so bare, it like kills me. Whenever I want to do something, I'm like looking for a background and there's nothing, like it's so plain. Sometimes I want that difference. Picked up this first print, which is a kitchen guide. So pretty for a kitchen. It's just like this beautiful minimalist decor that's also useful and helpful in the kitchen. And the quality is really great. Like, this paper is like a nice thickness. It has temperature conversions in here. It has a cooking glossary, different metrics, quick conversions, boiling times for vegetables. So I really like this. I think it looks super pretty. I have it right now on one of the shelves in my pantry and it looks so nice. I initially thought I was gonna frame it, maybe put it on the wall or even just on the shelf, but I feel like with the frame it's gonna be like too big and not fit. But anyways, I will solve that on my own. That's the first print. And then the second one is this one, which is for the laundry room, and it's a washing symbol sign. So while you're in there trying to do your laundry and you're looking at the sign, you're like, what the heck? What does the symbol mean? You can refer to this and see if you can like hand wash or wash in the washer or dry or hang dry, whatever it is. And yeah, it's just super cute. Like a just nice, useful way to decorate the walls. Third item I picked up from H&M is the frame that this is in, which is really interesting. I've never like had a frame like this before, and on the website it didn't make sense to me honestly, but I was like, I'll get it and figure it out. Essentially it's two pieces of wood that connect with magnets. Yeah, you slide the poster in between the two magnetic wood pieces and then you just close it and that's how it attaches, and then you just hang it on the wall with this little string. I do want to cut the ends. I feel like there's too much leftover with the print that I have. Obviously if you have a bigger print it works, but yeah, there's just like too much excess. I find that it looks a little bit funny, so I am gonna get the wood cut. But other than that, I just think it's so pretty. I love the wood tone and everything, and it's really easy to switch a poster in and out. If I wanted this now on the kitchen one, it's very easy to swap them in and out. So yeah, I love these from H&M. Next up we have good old Ikea. I actually hadn't been to Ikea in so long, like so long, and I went the other day and it was like the fastest trip of my life at Ikea. We've never walked so fast through Ikea because I was on a mission for these. So I picked up these curtains. They're called the Hilja? Don't know. I was watching a video and someone said that these are actually pretty good quality curtains and that they look luxurious and that they kind of fit the look that I wanted for my office. These are gonna go in my office. I want something, we have blinds, but I want something that I can pull during the day to either minimize the light when I'm filming in there, or because there's houses that are tall as well and like at eye level. Sometimes I just need to like block that off a little bit so I can focus on you guys when I'm filming. So that's why I got these. I also got this, I was gonna say rod, but it's like a curtain system, hanging system. I don't know, because it's not really a rod, because I want that look of like just curtain and not the rod, if that makes sense. So I got the Vidga hanging system. So yeah, I want no visible curtain, lots of pleats, lots of texture, like romantic and like soft light coming through, if you guys can picture what I mean. So the Hilja curtains come with 2 panels. I also picked up a second one so that I have 4 panels total because I want, again, that volume, lots of pleats. We'll see how this works out. I don't know, you're gonna have to subscribe and watch my next closet makeover update video and see if this works out. Moving on to a bigger item. Oh my god, I'm struggling so hard, which is this. It's kind of hard to show, but I will insert pictures or videos. This is a shower bench from Bath Depot, and I'm gonna put this down. You guys saw it. Oh my god. I really wanted one of these because I've seen in bathrooms they have like a built-in shower bench and ours doesn't have one. I'm like, why didn't we do that? But I think we actually tried to do it with the design center and like they couldn't. So I really wanted to get one. One, because listen, us curly girls, we spend 100 hours in the shower doing our hair, so sometimes like I want to sit down, take a break, catch my breath. But mostly because to shave, like to put your leg up and shave, that would be really great. So I found this one on Bath Depot. I really like it. I love the wood tone of it, except I hate this belly button looking thing to like cover the screw. I don't think that's nice. It doesn't look expensive. It's not elevating like I said in this video. And then I'm not a huge fan of this line in the wood, like this two-tonedness, but whatever. Anyways, I feel like having a shower bench in general will elevate your space. We have it in the shower right now. Our shower is big enough that it's like far away from the shower head. It doesn't get wet too much. Scoured the internet looking for one that was like meant for the shower, was okay to be wet, all that, and I couldn't find one, and this one didn't say whether or not it could, so I got it. It was $100. I was like, whatever. I'm starting to tell now that I don't think it is, because part of it here at the bottom is already like changing colors, but we'll see. Again, like I said, it's really far in our shower. It doesn't get too wet, and if it's like a little color issue, it's like not that big of a deal for me. If it's gonna start to grow mold, then I'll take it out. But yeah, anyways, I think it's a really nice addition to your bathroom anyways. If you're not gonna put it in your shower, if you don't have space, you could always put it outside the shower with a candle, a plant, your loofah, just like have a nice little styling moment in your bathroom. I think that would be really nice. Another bigger item, which is this ottoman from West Elm. This is a leather ottoman ottoman that we picked up for the entryway. Everyone always struggles when they come over to put their shoes back on or take them off. So I figured that we needed some type of seating situation. So I got this. It's actually kind of beat up. It was the last one in the store and the floor model, so they discounted it quite a bit for us. It's not that bad. There's a few like scratches and like little things on it, but we have 2 cats that we're gonna end up scratching it anyway, so it's like whatever. Plus it's going in quite like a high traffic area, so we were completely fine with it. But yeah, I really like the color. It's like this nice soft, I don't know what the name of it is, but you know how some leather is like very orange and not flattering, but this one is very toned down and neutral, so I really like it. And it's nice and comfortable, like just to take your shoes on and off. It does the job. But yeah, so that's what it looks like from West Elm. Next piece I want to show you is also from West Elm, but it's just large and in charge, and I didn't want to bring it up. It's this plant pot. I absolutely love it. I love how much texture that it has, like the lines going through it, and it has lines in different directions. I didn't even realize like right away. I kind of feel like I would have liked just one, like horizontal or vertical lines. But anyways, I like the look of it, and you can always like switch it directions, whichever side you prefer. We are hoping to get a nice olive tree in there. Not that I know how to take care of an olive tree yet, and I also killed my fiddle leaf tree, but we'll see. But yeah, the plant pot is really nice. It's a nice big size. I believe that one's actually the medium. It has an even bigger size. This color as well is nice. I wish it was a little bit warmer, but I do really like the texture and the size of it. That was all the home decor items I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you will purchase to elevate your space. Here are 2 more videos to watch, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.